Tired of noisy commutes ruining your music? Struggling to hear calls in busy streets? Frustrated by earbuds that slip during workouts? Ever missed a game sound cue due to lag? Annoyed by short battery life mid-journey? Sick of switching devices and losing connection? Sweat or rain making your earbuds unreliable? Let's face it, daily audio struggles are real. Music gets drowned out by subway noise. Calls sound muffled in windy parks. Earbuds fall out while running or cycling. Gaming audio lags behind the action. Charging every few hours interrupts your flow. Switching from phone to laptop is a hassle. Rain or sweat means constant worry about damage. But what if you could solve it all at once? Meet the Nothing Ear 3 wireless earbuds. The link is in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Engineered for crystal clear sound and total freedom. Powerful 45 dB hybrid active noise cancellation built in. Block out subway, traffic, or office chatter instantly. 6 HD microphones plus super mic for clear calls. Your voice cuts through wind, crowds, and chaos. Secure fit design keeps earbuds in place. Every move. IP54 water resistance handles sweat, rain, and dust. Low lag mode for seamless gaming audio sync. Bluetooth 5.4 connects to iPhone, Android, Windows. Dual Connect lets you switch devices effortlessly. Up to 10 hours playback on a single charge. 38 hours total with the compact charging case. Quick 10-minute charge gives 10 more hours. Transparency mode keeps you aware when needed. Custom EQ and ANC settings via Nothing X app. Activate Super Mic with a single tap. Double tap for longer calls, even in noise. High-res wireless audio delivers deep bass, crisp highs. 12mm dynamic driver and ceramic diaphragm boost clarity. Enhanced airflow for richer, distortion-free sound. Let's see the difference these earbuds make. Before, city noise drowns out your playlist. After, 45 dB ANC creates a private sound zone. Before, calls lost in the wind or crowd. After, 6 mics and super mic focus your voice. Before, earbuds slip out during intense workouts. After, secure fit stays put, no matter the movement. Before, gaming audio lags behind the action. After, low lag mode keeps you in sync. Before, battery dies halfway through your day. After, 38 hours playback keeps you powered up. Before, fumbling to switch between devices. After, dual connect swaps seamlessly, no interruptions. Before, worrying about sweat or sudden rain. After, IP54 rating means play on, rain or shine. Before, struggling to adjust sound settings. After, Nothing X app tailors audio to your taste. Before, missing important sounds in public. After, transparency mode keeps you safely aware. Before, voice notes lost in background noise. After, super mic filters noise for clear messages. Before, earbuds feel bulky or uncomfortable. After, lightweight, ergonomic design for all-day comfort. Before, sound quality feels flat and lifeless. After, high-res audio brings music to life. Before, earbuds hard to carry or store. After, compact case with lanyard hole clips anywhere. Ready to elevate your audio experience? Nothing Ear 3 adapts to your lifestyle. Commute, workout, game, or call. Do it all better. No more noise, lag, or battery anxiety. Just pure uninterrupted sound wherever you go. The link is in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Upgrade to Nothing Ear 3 today. Experience the difference. Hear what you've been missing. Tap the link to get yours now.